Hey there, girlfriend. Are you wondering why your lips are dry and peeling? Well, we're going to get to the bottom of that in today's video. We'll see you on the other side. Hey there, my name is Ingafay, and I am so excited to share with you why your lips are peeling. And the thing about it is, you'll be dazed, glazed, and amazed to learn why. So in this video, I'm going to give you some fun facts about your lips. I'm going to also share a regimen that you do for your face that you also want to do for your lips. And then if you are a person that loves matte lipstick, I got a treat for you too. So make sure you stay to the end so you can hear it. All right, so let's get into it. Did you know that your lips do not have oil glands? So your lips are organically dry. That's why it's so imperative that you make sure that you hydrate your lips on a regular basis. Now, I'm saying this because I'm sure you're saying, well, my lips are overly dry. I'm getting super peeling and all of that. But one interesting thing that you want to do for your lips, similar to what you do to your face, is that you want to exfoliate. Your lips get dry and start peeling. You got to remove that dead skin, girlfriend. Get rid of that dead skin that is hindering you from your lips getting the appropriate moisture that it needs. Because if you don't remove that dead skin, very similar to what you do your face, you got to remove that dead, dull, and dry skin off your face. You got to move that dead, dull, and dry skin off your lips, so the moisturizer that you're using can actually penetrate into your lip skin. So you do this probably about 2 to 3 times a week. I don't want you to rub your lips raw if you are really experience a lot of dryness, because it takes time to remove that excess skin. But I want you just to do a little bit at a time, and just trust me that over time it is going to get better, that you're really going to be able to remove that. And one of the ways that you can do that is with our satin lip mask. This is great. It's like a little sugar scrub that removes the excess skin from your lips. You can just rub it in and it takes it right off. And it's really easy to use. You would do it right before you apply your lipstick, and it gets rid of that excess skin. Now, after you do that, you're going to rinse it off with a washcloth, and then you're going to follow it up with our lip balm, which has vitamin E in it and jojoba oil that mimics the natural oil that our body produces anyway. So this is really going to help you hydrate your lips without fail after you remove that excess skin. Now, I'm sure you're thinking, well, she was telling us about this matte lipstick. Are you a matte lipstick wearer? I have so many people tell me, girl, I don't like wearing matte lipstick because it dries my lips out. But I can guarantee you, if you do the satin lip treatment before you apply your matte lipstick, girl, your lipstick is gonna go on so beautiful. I did this before I got on camera today, and as you can see, my lips are very moisturized. It feels so good as a result of having the lipstick on, and it's because I did the satin lip treatment beforehand. And like I said, it only takes a couple of minutes to do. You scrub the satin lip balm in, you take it off with a wet towel or washcloth, and then you apply the lip balm. And then after you apply that lip balm, girlfriend, you put on your lipstick, and it makes it go on so wonderful, and your lips feel so good, and you don't have those little lines that you normally see in your lips when you wear a matte lipstick. So my suggestion to you, girlfriend, is if you want to wear matte lipstick, you got to do your satin lip treatment so it can look scrumptious, so your lips can be kissable like they should be, right? Check out the link below. I have the link for the satin lip set, because that's what this is. The satin lip set it is sold as a set, in addition to giving you a link to some matte lipsticks that will really allow you to rock your uniqueness, because I know that's what you want to do, girlfriend. Now, I really hope that this was a benefit to you today. I want you to share down in the comments, what was your biggest takeaway? Was it that your lips are organically dry? Is it that jojoba oil mimics our natural body oil that our bodies produce? Or is the fact that when you use the satin lip treatment, girlfriend, you are going to prep your lips for your matte lipstick so you don't have lines? Tell us down in the comments. We would love to know. And as always, share this with 3 of your girlfriends. They got to know what makes them look good too. The summer is still here. People still want to be looking good in the sun. So make sure you give them the 411, because I know it's hot as I don't know all get out. And this satin lip set is going to help you moisturize those lips so you can put on that lipstick and just turn heads. All right. Thanks for watching as always, and we'll see you next time. Bye for now.